Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a room tour of the Excalibur Castle Hotel. This is the resort tower, 2 queens non-smoking, on the 22nd floor. Has 2 queen-size beds, flat screen TV, dresser, table and 2 sitting chairs, ice bucket, a mirror on the wall, and we have a pool view. You can see they have 4 pools. Currently only 2 of them are open. And you also get a mountain view from here, so you can see the mountains. And the Allegiant Stadium. Rooms are pretty nice, newly redone. Alarm clock, phone, and picture on the wall. Now we'll go into the bathroom. Single sink, but a big vanity. The mirror. Toilet. And a shower. Nice big spacious bathroom. Okay, well that's going to complete the room tour of the Excalibur Castle Hotel in Las Vegas. The 2 queen, pool view, non-smoking. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. Follow along for more videos to come.